Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and today I've got something really special for you. So here we have the Oppo Find X7 Ultra, and man, I just love this device. Let me be very clear with you. Now, before starting the video, let me clarify a few things that this is not a paid review, paid promotion or anything like that. Rather, I begged for this device. Let me tell you the whole story. So when I was in Malaysia testing out the Reno 11, I guess, and back then I got to use the prototype of Find X7 Ultra for few times from the HQ. So back then I fell in love with the camera, the optical zoom, the lens, the Hasselblad camera color signs and everything about the device. So after coming back to India, when I knew that X7 Ultra is not going to launch in India, but still I just begged to Oppo India to give me this device to test it out, at least as a trial device. So after 6-7 months, I guess, 5 months, I guess, finally Oppo India sent me the X7 Ultra. And man, let me be very clear with you, this is a beast of cameras, and this is probably, arguably, one of the best camera smartphones out there. So let's unbox it and let me show you the beast. Okay, so this is the Oppo Find X7 Ultra, and here we have the Hasselblad logo. Here we have the Oppo and Hasselblad branding with the X7 Ultra name tag. So let's unbox it and let's see what it comes with. Okay, so we have a case, okay, and some documents. I think this is the manual. I think this is something similar to that, but I can't read, so I don't know. I have a SIM ejector tool right here and a case. Okay, now it's turn for that device itself. But first take a look what else we have in the box. Okay, so pretty standard. It's a 100-watt charging brick and a USB A to C cable. That's it. So this is the Oppo Find X7 Ultra. I mean, just look at the camera. I mean, you can see how big the camera module is. But my goodness, the device looks so premium, so premium. I mean, I have used the prototype of it, and while in the final version, it looks so good. It looks so good. Okay, let me tell you all the specs of this device, and then I will go out and shoot some photos to show you some test footage of this camera. Okay, so let's talk about the specs. The Find X7 Ultra rocks a 6.82 inches LTPO AMOLED screen with a jaw-dropping WQHD Plus resolution with Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and it features a peak brightness of 4500 nits. And for the pixel peepers, it features 510 ppi and the screen to body ratio is 90.3. And also in terms of protection, you have the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. This screen is a visual treat. Now let's flip it over and check out those cameras, because Oppo is bringing the heat with quad camera setup that's ready for anything. We have got 4 50 megapixel shooters, a ultra wide, a wide and 2 telephotos with 3x and 6x. But it's not about the hardware only. Oppo partnered with Hasselblad for color calibration, ensuring your photos pop with vibrant, true-to-life colors. HDR and panorama modes are of course on board to make sure you never miss a shot, no matter the lighting. Under the hood, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. paired with a beefy 12 GB of RAM, this octa-core beast clocks in at 3.3 GHz. And with the Adreno 750 GPU, you are looking at smooth gaming and multitasking all day. Storage, you have got 256 GB of UFS 4.0 on board. Though unfortunately, no microSD card this time around. Let's talk power. The Find X7 Ultra comes with a 500 mAh battery. And get this, it supports 100 watts fast charging. That's right, 100 watts. You will be fully charged in no time. It also supports 50 watt wireless charging, reverse charging and even reverse wireless charging at 10 watts. Rounding it out, the Find X7 Ultra runs on Android 14 with Oppo's ColorOS skin, giving you a clean and customizable UI. There's an in-display fingerprint sensor, face unlock and all the sensors you could ever need, from accelerometer to color spectrum. And don't worry about getting caught in the rain. This phone is IP68 water and dust resistant. Alright folks, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the first look of the Oppo Find X7 Ultra. If you guys have any question or any video idea that you want to see from the X7 Ultra, that should I compare it with the Pixel, with the iPhone, with Oppo Find N2 Flip that I use, anything like that, do let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you guys are as interested as I am, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to see the full review video that is coming to the channel real soon. Until then, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Till then, Tana.